How do I hire you to handle my inheritance? This is a question we get quite often. My name is Michael Davies. I'm a Spanish lawyer. I've been in practice for over 25 years, handling Spanish wills, estate planning, probate, inheritance tax issues, inheritance-related litigation, everything surrounding estate planning and inheritance. Okay, unlike other lawyers, we always start off with a paid consultation. You'll see that the consultation is not expensive, but it allows us to spend sufficient time looking into your situation so that when we talk for the first time, so that we can work out what the expenses are going to be in total, what the time scale, and basically to see if there's any sort of potential problems lurking in the procedure. We do this because if we don't charge for the initial consultation, we won't be able to spend the necessary time to sort of establish what the situation is. And that will then lead to charging people by the hour and then surprising you with a bill maybe much higher than anticipated. We prefer to have a good look at the situation first and inform you correctly. So the way we do it is this. First, you can contact us. You can speak to our lovely Maria Alonso. Just call any of the offices and ask for Maria Alonso, and they'll put you through to her, and she will talk to you about the availability and the fees for initial consultation with me regarding the inheritance. So once you've agreed on that with Maria, I will send you a whole list of information that I need from you. And I'll need as much as possible of that information. It's a form, you fill it all in for me, and I'll also indicate the minimum documents that I need to see in advance of our initial consultation so that we can make the maximum use of it. Okay, so the initial consultation can take place at one of our offices. We're based in Andalusia, but we handle inheritance cases all over Spain and for all different nationalities. So very often the initial appointment is done by Zoom. We're very happy with doing it this way. We can then have the meeting with yourselves plus your children, plus your your lawyer, your family lawyer, wherever you may be. It allows a great flexibility, and we think it's a great way of having that initial consultation. So before the consultation, I'll look into the situation depending on the documents and the information that you've sent me. And we'll go through the procedure with you, explain the situation, timescales, etc. And then after the consultation, I will send you a full budget of all the taxes and fees to expect and the timescale. And an approximate timescale. Sometimes we can guarantee the timescale. If it's one of our wills, we'll guarantee the timescale within 3 or 4 months. If it's not one of our wills, well, we'll try. Well, after we've seen the documents, we'll indicate this. At that point of sending you the budget, you're free to either use us or decide that you're going to shop around for somebody else to handle the estate. You'll have received a lot of information from us during that initial consultation, and hopefully you'll be convinced that we're experts, and then you'll hire us for that point anyway. So that would be the basic procedure. You'll see that when we send you that initial email with the budget, etc., we'll be asking you also for a retainer. As I say, the other question we're asked for often is, do you have to come over to Spain to wind up the estate? Well, the answer to that is no. It can all be done by powers of attorney. It doesn't matter where you are, Australia, Canada, the States, New Zealand, or any EU country. We can organize for a power of attorney to be sent to you so you can sign everything in your home country and send it over to us. Or you may prefer to join in the fun, or maybe you're going to come over here anyway because you've got to clear the property or something like that. But normally we do it all by or by power of attorney. As far as timescale, if there's a Spanish will, normally 3 or 4 months should be sufficient. Sometimes there's no Spanish will and it gets a bit more complicated, and there can even be situations, especially when there is no Spanish will, or even the inheritance is intestate, where we may not be able to agree on an exact budget for our work, but we will try, and very often we can, and we can normally also give you the time scale. If we can, we will do it, but there may be, we may have to, but all this will be indicated on that email that we will send you. You can also, if you want to use this a consultation, a Zoom consultation, if you want a second opinion on a procedure that you're already following with another lawyer. I think that's it. So, as I say, the starting point is always call one of our offices, or email maria@daviessolicitors.com, and Mrs. Maria Alonso will sort you out with, she'll inform you of the price and the availability to have the appointment with me. And I will then send you the information, the sheet of information you'll need to fill in, and then we organize the Zoom call to go through your situation with you. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you.